Hey guys, showing you this reusable water balloons for kids. It's a magnetic water balloons with a quick fill self-sealing water balls, can be used for outdoors games and for the summer, or any summer toys for the boys girls of any age. So this can be also used on beach. Comes with this waterproof bag that you can store these water balloons after using. These are the magnetic things, so that comes back and can be reused. Nice designs and colors. So it's pretty nice with this silicone thing. And you can easily store after using, so it's good. It comes with a bag. So filling the water is easy. You can just fill in the water, or you can just close with this or like this. Just pull in the water in it and it auto seal on its own, and you just throw them, and the water will be out. You can use these balloons again, so these are really nice. Just close it and have fun with these different shapes and sizes, really nice color, and just throw them and enjoy. So this I'm just showing you in the slow motion, but it's really a nice thing, reusable water balloons.